My name is Frank. I'm a service technician here at Bokan Toyota. And today I just want to go with you and show you when it's time to replace your wipers. Very simple, easy to do. You have a nice pocket screwdriver. Flip the clip, pull this down, pull it out. That's simple. What we look for when we do replace wipers is actually check the blade for any debris, any oil, any type of cuts, or any type of, see that right there, tar, everything that's on the road, it's on your glass. So, there you go. So there's a coupon online right now that you can get for $5 off to get a brand new set of wiper blades. If you don't feel confident in actually replacing this yourself, why don't you come down and see us? We'll do it for you. And if you have any other questions or any issues with your vehicle, let us know and we'll come back to you for another tech tip for you guys.